Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of all that unwanted background noise in your live streams, video conferences, or whatever else you might be recording on your PC, easily and for free. So one of the most common questions I get asked during my live streams is, Papa, how come we can't hear your keyboard, or your 3 fans in your room, or your dogs barking? And my answer is always the same: RTX Voice. Now, one caveat to using this method is you're going to need to have an NVIDIA video card installed on your PC. Originally, it was just RTX video cards, but they have since opened it up to GTX video cards as well. So if you have an NVIDIA video card, I'm going to now go through the steps to install and set this up on your machine. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to click the link I've included in the description below to start the download of RTX Voice. Do this right here. It'll take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once that's completed, click open. This will give you a prompt, yes or no, to allow it to install. Takes 5 or 10 seconds for some reason before anything ever pops up on the screen. Don't worry, it's just a little slow. So we come to the first window, which is obviously the software license agreement. You can read through that, agree and continue. This will start to install RTX Voice on your machine, pop up for restart required. You will not be able to use RTX Voice until you restart your machine. So I'm going to click restart later because I already have RTX Voice installed. This will then come up with your input device and output device. For me, I already have my device selected, but yours would look something like this when you come to it. Basically, what you want to do is you want to go from default device to whatever your microphone is. In my case, I use a Go XLR Mini, so I select that. And then you want to make sure to select remove background noise from my microphone. Okay, so now you should be set up and able to use RTX Voice. If you have any questions or comments on this or any other tech-related subject, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're finding the information in this video useful, make sure to hit that thumbs up. In the meantime, let's get back to installing and setting up RTX Voice. So now let's go ahead and get Discord set up to use RTX Voice as your microphone. What you're going to want to do, and it doesn't matter which server you're in, this applies to all servers that you may be a part of. This is general settings. So what you want to do is go to the cogwheel in the bottom left. It says user settings, click on that. Go to voice and video. Once you're in voice and video, you'll see input device and output device. You want to take input device and you want to find the NVIDIA RTX Voice. You want to select that. Then you would want to select your output device, whatever that may be. I'm leaving mine on default for right now. Then you want to make sure to come down here and to uncheck noise suppression. This can interfere with the RTX Voice and cause issues because two different things are trying to do the noise suppression. Once that's done, you can click escape. And at this point, you'll be set up and ready to use RTX Voice on Discord. So now we're going to walk through getting it set up in OBS. Now this applies to any version of OBS, whether it be Streamlabs, OBS Studio, Stream Elements OBS, or whatever version you're using. This is a very simple process. And basically what you're going to want to do is whichever version you're in, go to settings. In this case, I'm using Streamlabs OBS, which has a cogwheel in the bottom left. You click settings, go to audio, and on your mic auxiliary device 1, you're going to want to click the drop down and find microphone NVIDIA RTX Voice. You select that, and at that point you are done. As we can see, it's now coming through on the bar at the bottom right. And just like that, you're set up with noise suppression and OBS. If you'd like to chat with me live, I stream on Twitch Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Until then, feel free to check out any of my other videos, and I will see you guys next time.